HBO, formerly known as HBO Max, well, they got a new name. I'm sorry, formerly known as well, also formerly known as HBO Max. HBO okay. The company that brought you HBO and HBO Go and HBO Now and HBO Max and Max proudly presents HBO Max again. They have rebranded back to HBO Max. They went from HBO to HBO Go to HBO Now, and then they did HBO Max when they did their big deal. Then they just dropped the HBO, which on this show I called it the stupidest branding move ever. And yeah, now they're going back to HBO Max. They hired some consulting firm, marketing consulting firm, like $10 million to tell them, what if you dropped the HBO? And apparently it was just like one executive who was just like, I want to do this. And everyone else was like, well, this is dumb. But then he made the call and it was dumb.